Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to maintain your Starkey OMEGA AI hearing aids. We'll walk you through how to brush your microphone, replace your wax filter, and swap out your domes if it's time for some new ones. These hearing aids have two microphones that pick up the sound around you. We'll first brush these microphones thoroughly. This clears up any debris and helps the microphone pick up the clearest sound. Once you're done brushing the microphones, remove the dome. Simply use your index finger and your thumb to pull the rubber dome off. The white piece in the center is the wax filter. To replace the wax filter, you will need a wax filter replacement tool. One side is used to take the old wax filter out, and the other side is used to put a new wax filter in. Place the removal side of the wax filter tool into the wax filter that is inside of the hearing device. Push it in firmly and then pull it out. Then, flip to the side of the tool with the new wax filter. Place the new wax filter into the hearing device, and then pull it out. Now that we have the new wax filter, we'll put the dome back on. The small circle inside of the hearing aid dome on the right-hand side will go over the top of the wax filter that we just replaced on the device on the left-hand side. And that's it. We recommend doing maintenance like this every 2 to 4 weeks. This ensures that your hearing devices work as designed for as long as possible. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.